Hello! Welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. How you doing? All of my colors will be in my description box. And the one color I want to tell you about is this beautiful new Piggy limited edition. It is called Benevolence, and you can buy it until it's gone. When it's gone, it's gone. So, TLP is selflessly contributing $5 per piggy sold to direct relief. So, I'm going to be doing a bloom transfer on a 16 by 20 level 3 artist loft canvas. And there's not going to be a lot of talking because there's not a lot of time. So let's just get down on the canvas and get going. Okay, first things first. Let's get our pillow down. This is Sherwin Williams Color to Go Extra White. And our colors today are going to go down. I'll have them hopefully in the order that I use them. This is the Benevolence. Let's blow it out.
What's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get...
We'll move this to the side. Let that sit for a minute and do its thing. And now let's get our base, our pillow, put on our 16 by 20.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count.
And now we're going to transfer this onto here.
I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. And get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city, Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Okay, I'm going to clean this up and I'll bring y'all in for a close-up. Okay, here are the wet results of my bloom transfer. I think it turned out pretty cool. Not real sure where all of my bronze went, but maybe it'll pop up as it dries. I don't know. There's some in there. Anyway, I think it's pretty cool and such a good cause to help our fellow citizens and the like to try to recover after these horrible hurricanes. So, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you when it's dry. Sparklies! Just a few. We're just going to kind of zip up through here. We've got some. Indeed. There you go. See you when it's dry.